Estimate quotients using compatible numbers. Estimating quotients using compatible numbers involves finding approximate values that are easy to work with mentally while still providing a reasonable approximation of the actual quotient. Let's break down this concept with an explanation, example breakdown, and answers to potential questions. Explanation. Compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to work with mentally and often result in more manageable calculations. When estimating quotients using compatible numbers, we round the dividend and divisor to numbers that are easier to divide mentally, such as multiples of 10 or 100. Then, we perform the division using these rounded numbers to get an approximate quotient. Breakdown example. Suppose you want to estimate the quotient of 389 divided by 12. 1. Identify compatible numbers. Look for compatible numbers close to 389 and 12. For 389, a compatible number might be 400, rounded to the nearest hundred. For 12, a compatible number might be 10. 2. Perform the estimation. Estimate the quotient by dividing the rounded numbers. 400 divided by 10 equals 40. This gives us an estimated quotient of 40. 3. Check the estimate. Perform the actual division to see how close the estimate is to the actual quotient. 389 divided by 12 approximately equals 32.42. The estimated quotient, 40, is reasonably close to the actual quotient, 32.42, providing a quick approximation. Question answers. Q. Why do we use compatible numbers for estimation? A. Using compatible numbers simplifies the division process, making it easier to perform mentally. It allows us to quickly obtain an approximate answer without the need for precise calculations. Q. How do we choose compatible numbers? A. Compatible numbers are often rounded versions of the original numbers that are easy to divide mentally. They can be multiples of 10, 100, or other convenient numbers depending on the context of the problem. Q. How accurate are estimates obtained using compatible numbers? A. Estimates obtained using compatible numbers are approximate and may not always match the exact quotient. However, they provide a quick way to obtain a reasonably close estimate without performing detailed calculations. Q. When is it useful to use estimation with compatible numbers? A. Estimation with compatible numbers is useful in situations where a quick approximation is sufficient, such as in everyday calculations, planning, and decision-making. It helps save time and mental effort while still providing a reasonable estimate of the answer.